Hi, I'm Sarah with Idaho Elite Inspection Team, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with Stephanie Perry of All About Home Repair, and they can come out and do all kinds of things to fix your home. So you're mainly a plumbing company, is that right?
Yes.
Okay, so tell us what kinds of things that you do, because that makes me think that if my roof is leaking, that you can't do that.
No, we would pass that on to the roofing experts. We are primarily a plumbing contractor focusing on home service, so we can come help you with your faucets that are leaking or dripping, or maybe you just want a new color. We can come and do that, or a clogged toilet, someone flushed something that probably shouldn't have been flushed.
I wonder if we've ever had a Matchbox car go down our pipes.
It happens. We've retrieved some fun stuff. Or, maybe it's Sunday morning and you're the fifth one in the shower and there's not enough hot water. We can help with that too.
Oh, absolutely. That was something that we had talked about with our house, is that we have, I think, a 40-gallon tank, and yeah, Sunday morning especially. So isn't there a thing that you can put on that like increases the capacity without replacing the entire hot water heater?
There is. With water heaters and hot water in general, there's a lot of technology out there. You can add to your existing tanks, or we can replace it with the tankless and on-demand systems, or even boilers. There's a lot of options with hot water.
Very cool. So what's your favorite type of service to offer?
We've really enjoyed learning more about the hot water that we just talked about.
Mm-hmm.
And just our slogan is home never felt so good.
Mm-hmm.
So if you've got something in your home, plumbing related, that you would like to see improved,
mm-hmm.
we want to do that.
So when I'm doing my bathroom remodel and I need a second shower head, we should call you.
Absolutely.
Okay, good. Good to know. We are partnering with them as a preferred vendor, as a plumber, because we see a lot of plumbing issues and we just love to have somebody who we can refer to, who we know will do a really great job. And one of the reasons that we know that they do such a great job is because we've called them to come to our house. In January, I was taking a bath and my husband told me that there was water coming out of the ceiling in the basement. And we didn't really know what was happening, but we kind of figured out it had to do with the drain. And so I knew immediately who to call because I already knew Stephanie through our networking group. And she sent out Chris, and he was super awesome. He came in, he did the work, he looked at it, and he figured out that just the drain had popped off, but that when they were attaching it, it didn't screw all the way back up because it was touching the subfloor. So instead of just reattaching the drain and trying to like duct tape it so that it maybe didn't pop off again, he actually fixed the whole drain and made it function correctly. And we are 6 months down the road and we're still good, no leaks, but he was really quick, he was really professional. He offered me a few different options for repairing it. He even had a repair if we wanted to replace the whole drain, and like we probably could have done the faucets and everything if we'd wanted to. He would have let us do it. He told us that he could stay all day. He was ours for the day, so we were able to, if we had had any other random problems, that we could have had him come and fix them. So we just had a really great experience. The price was really fair. I felt like it was, it didn't seem exorbitant. It seemed very reasonable to me. So we just have our own personal testimony of how great it is to work with All About Home Repair, how quickly they come out, how fair their pricing is, and what a great job that they do, that their employees really care about fixing the issue. So
good. Well, thank you, Sarah. First of all, we were glad that we were able to come help, and before it caused additional damage, keep that minimal. We realize that we're a plumbing company and usually people don't call us because they want to. It's more because they have to. But when you have to call a plumber, we want to be that company to come and help. And it's usually already a stressful situation. So we want the experience to be the most comfortable as it can be for our customers.
yeah, absolutely.